Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of AdoreBox. If you guys don't know what AdoreBox is, it is a monthly subscription service and it does cost $15 a month. And you can get different things in there. You can get lifestyle, you can get hair stuff, you can get skin stuff, makeup, like makeup tools. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it, see if it's worth the $15, and there isn't enough stuff in here for a complete face, so I'm just gonna give you my first impressions, see how I like it, and if you guys really want, I can do a first impression like try on, so basically using these products on my face. Let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in, but right now I'm just gonna take the stuff out the box and show you guys what's in it. But before we jump into this video, I have two things to say. I was gifted this AdoreBox, so AdoreBox did send me this. No way, shape, or form is that going to alter how I feel about the box itself, and I just want to put that out there. I did not pay for this box. I thought it was a really good idea, you guys. It really do seem to like my unboxing videos. And then also another thing before we jump into this video, if you have not subscribed already, please give me a subscribe if you are willing, if you like what you see so far. Let's get me to 300 subscribers. That is my goal. So just go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the post notification bell while you're at it so you can get notified of all of my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I have so many things I want to tell you guys. So literally I have been doing like crazy stuff. Like during lunch I'm basically working on my YouTube channel and stuff like that, so I literally have some really good things in store for my channel. I'm making so many new graphics. I'm trying to learn how to make new graphics. I'm learning about green screens and how to have things pop up on my screen, so definitely stay tuned. I'm so excited. I'm trying to do a new like intro. I don't know if I want to do animation. I don't know if I want to do like a reel clip. I don't know if that's what you call it, but kind of like camcorder-y, but I don't know what I want to do, so I'm just going to be playing around with a few things and see how it comes out and see how you guys like it. Let me know down below. I don't think anything's going to be that different here besides a few like maybe social media things, but other than that, like intro's probably going to take me a little bit longer to do just because it is a little bit more work. But let me stop blabbering and let me get to unboxing, guys. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. I did already peek in here, but that is just because when I did get this, it was actually opened. Like literally, like it was open like this, like stuff was actually coming out. I don't know if it was like the heat that made it like come out, like that made it like unstick, or like if they just didn't close it right. Like honestly, I really don't know. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I did email customer service and I am just waiting for them to respond, but it was open and I am just missing one item, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys that as well. So when you open it up, you get this little baggie, which is something that like Sephora does. I usually get a bag or something like Sephora, and then it also does say, if you guys could see, it does say thank you right there. So there's that, and then this also is like super handy. It does come with a little like what is in my August AdoreBox, and then it also gives you the price breakdown of everything. So I did get the month for August. I did get this a little bit sooner just so I could upload it and put it up for you guys, but I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I did get 5 items, and again, this box retails for $15. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got. So first, let me actually tell you what I'm missing. So I am actually missing the Makeup Tool Eyelash Applicator. It is full size. That retails for $3.99, and it is an easy apply your lashes with this lash applicator. So I am missing that, but I have everything else that's in here, and I'm just gonna throw everything out. Okay, first things first, I got this crown brush. This is the CB118 Small Pro Kabuki brush. So this retails for $12, which is almost the price of the box. So this is ideal for applying mineral-based powders, foundations, bronzers, finishing powders, and it's portable. Actually, I really like this. I like how it's portable because literally today I was like, wow, I need to start carrying like a little brush just to keep with me. It feels pretty, it feels soft. Like, this is what it looks like. I like how the tip of this is pink. I think that that's just adorable, like pink, red, whatever. I think this is really cute. I did wish it came with like a cover or something so I could throw it in my purse, but I mean, it is pretty dense. Like, it's very dense. It's soft. But yes, again, this is a small Pro Kabuki brush, and this is by Crown Brushes. Next thing that I got some lashes. So this is, I don't know how to say this. This is Kanzia, I hope I said that right, strip lashes. This is full size. This retails for $11. So with these two products, you exceeded the amount that you paid for the box, which is really, really awesome. So this is tapered ends to enhance, supple for all eye shapes, 100% human hair, lightweight, easy to apply, and reusable. Can be found at retailers such as Amazon. So I like how you can find it on Amazon because there was a hair on there, sorry. So it's easy to buy if you do love this, and I like that. So let me go ahead and open this up. I actually have never heard of this brand before, but let me open it up for you guys. These lashes look really, really pretty. You guys know I really don't use lashes all of the time, but I feel like I would definitely wear them. The band is like literally, the band is literally so thin, which is awesome. Sorry, I'm like, what can I tell you guys about this? It looks really wispy. I think that they're really cute lashes. So I know what you guys are saying. You guys are probably going to be like, Melissa, please do more looks with lashes. And I know I have to. I have to, guys. I have to. I know it. Okay, so next thing that I got, this is City Color City Chick lipstick. This retails for $9.99. This is a full-size lipstick. The advanced formula gives your lips a hydrating, long-lasting wear throughout the day. Can be found as retailers such as Amazon. So another Amazon find. That is what it looks like. And this is in the shade Diva. That is the color. Don't know. No, it's kind of like what I'm wearing today. When I first looked at this, I was like, am I gonna wear that color? Oh, that's actually a very nice color. This isn't so bad. I feel like I could actually wear this color, especially for summer, because it is bright. I do like my brighter lips, but I think that that color looks really pretty. So I definitely would use this. You guys know I love my lippy, so definitely like that. And then the last thing that I have, this is the J Cat Roll It Up Auto Eyeliner. So slim and easy application, water resistant formula. These mechanical auto eyeliner pencils come in many shades, are infused with coconut oil to glide on effortlessly. Can be found at retailers such as Amazon and Ulta Beauty. So let me open this up. Okay, I actually need a blue eyeliner, but that looks pretty. Okay, that's the color. Very, very bright. But I actually want to put it on my waterline to see if it's gonna stick. So I put it on. Where's the top? Okay, so I put it on and you guys can see. Let me get a little closer for you guys so you guys can see it is in my waterline. It's not super, super like bright and as pigmented, but I think that it just adds a nice pop of color, especially for somebody who just usually likes the nudes or the blacks or the whites in my waterline. I feel like it actually looks pretty good. So that is all that I got in my box this month, guys. So I do have to say, I feel like it was worth the $15 if I were to pay for this. I feel like I did get a nice brush. The brush quality was really nice. The lipstick was pretty. I feel like this box is definitely something that would be very versatile, and I'm just saying because you do get, I got a brush in there. I love brushes, so I feel like that's good. I got lashes. Those lashes looked really, really pretty. I feel like the quality of the lashes are very good, and the lipstick color very, very pretty. I feel like it's definitely great for summer. And then I also feel like this blue definitely just gives that pop of color, which is actually really in right now. So I feel like Adore Box is a very on trend with products, and I feel like they did a good job. So I do have to say I do like this month's box, although it is not on the Ipsy side where I'm getting like Huda and stuff like that. I feel like I'm getting introduced to different kind of brands. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I've never heard of that lipstick brand, the Color City lipstick. I've never heard of it, but I feel like I'm just getting introduced to different brands, and I'm getting introduced to different price points as well. So I really did enjoy this box, and I feel like I did get some pretty good products in here. But that is it for this video, guys. Very short, simple, and sweet. Let me know if you guys want an in-depth review of these products, actually using them on my face and kind of just a real testing first impressions, because I could totally do that for you guys. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell too while you're at it, so you get notified of all of my future uploads. I usually upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!